What's crackin', riders? Now, if you come to this channel often, you can expect to see many things motorcycle related, but one thing that you're not going to see motorcycle related is AI content, that damn AI slop that has plagued motorcycle and content creation as a whole. And I wanted to kind of shoot from the hip in this video and just kind of go on a little bit of a rant, because I'm sure I'm not the only person that feels this way about all the AI bullshit in motorcycle videos anymore. So I just want to have this conversation with you guys and see if I'm the only person that's feeling this way. Now, for those that have never watched my videos or are brand new to this channel, I've been doing this since 2019. So as far as the self-creativity and hard work goes, I at least like to think I know what I'm talking about. Now, I'm no big motorcycle YouTuber by any means. Yeah, I got a couple thousand subscribers, but I mean, it ain't nothing like your Shade Trees, your Blockheads, your Demons Row. As far as AI content creation goes, it is killing small content creators like me that do this for fun. Now, being that I started in 2019, I started right before the AI plague started killing content creation, and I was at least able to get my foot in the door, at least on YouTube, that is. Now, when I started TikTok back in 2024, AI had already taken over TikTok. You had all those stupid voiceovers that you just absolutely hate to hear. Oh God, it just haunts my dreams. I swear, I tried to find some like funny moto content, and if it wasn't this stupid cringy bike talk, it was that damn
biker's prayer. May the sun rise in front of me. The rain.
I ain't even gonna play the full video because I know you just absolutely had your skin crawl just listening to that damn voice talk about something stupid that was completely computer generated with zero effort as far as creativity goes. Because you know damn well there's some old head on their old ass road glide brother, and they said, "This is a really good idea, the biker's prayer." Newsflash, partner, that ain't it. Now, you know when you go on like Instagram or TikTok or even on YouTube and you see all those motorcycle club videos of like people on sport bikes getting confronted, or well, at least try to get confronted by people that are wearing a three-piece patch? It's so crazy for me to see that there are motorcycle clubs with AI created three-piece patches. Like their center patch was an image created by AI, and you can just tell what AI slop is compared to something that is either hand-drawn or like something that somebody whipped up in like Photoshop or something. It's just so mind-boggling to me. There are local motorcycle clubs where I'm at that have AI center patches made for them. It's just, oh my God, what a world we live in. Terrible, just terrible. But anyway, getting back on the topic of AI killing motorcycle content creators and content creation, sometimes it's pretty easy to actually get the two confused. When you see videos like these
ape hangers are ridiculous. I have to stand on the seat just to grab them.
Obviously, you know that that's fake. It's made to look real, but there's no such thing as 12-foot high handlebars. At least not in the United States. I don't know about other countries. China be on some stuff. And then you have videos that try really, really hard to be educational or informative, but they just end up being repetitive and say absolutely nothing with a ton of words. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, but Ryder, you try to be informative and you sound stupid as well. Well, yeah, I don't use AI for my videos though. I'm just an idiot, and you can't spell idiot without AI. But don't let me fool you, I've been fooled by AI videos multiple times. I'll see a video that has a really grabbing title about a topic that is really, really something like up my alley that I would like to know, but it ends up being something like, the title is a nice, beautiful, "The one secret about Harley Davidson nobody knows." Let's take that for example. And the one secret that nobody knows, according to AI, is that Harley Davidson is spelled using letters. Click and subscribe for this video. I'm like, oh my gosh, what is happening to motorcycle content creation? Sounded so damn whiny in that last clip. But I ride a Honda Fury. What do you expect from me? Now, I do gotta admit, sometimes AI and content creation or moto content creation could and do go hand in hand. I'm sure there are plenty of content creators that do put into work to make their videos and use AI to write a script or find a topic for a video if they have like a tight upload schedule. I don't know, it's whatever suits them the best. If it works for you and it gets over, by all means, my hat's off to you. Best of luck in your life of content creation. Good for you. But me personally, I'm gonna shoot from the hip in my videos. If it doesn't sound good in my brain, it's not gonna sound good coming out of my mouth, or vice versa. It's just not how I roll. And plus, the one time I tried to use an AI generated script for a topic that I thought of, saying it out loud sounded nothing like me. It's not basing it off of how you sound or how you talk or how you deliver in your videos. It's one strict thing, and you can tell when somebody's reading from a script that's AI generated because it sounds nothing like their other videos. Now, me personally, I'll be the first to admit how highly annoying and discouraging it is to find all the AI slop videos, but it's really, really more rewarding at that to find homegrown, freshly created motorcycle content videos that are real and raw. It's just so nice and refreshing to find those videos. Those are the people that deserve the subscriptions and the likes and comments of their videos. And you know what else they're doing in those videos that are real and raw? They're actually riding their motorcycles. They ain't fake riders where they buy a motorcycle just to let it sit in their garage and just so they can use it as a conversation piece. They're actually riding those motorcycles and having a good time at that. And yeah, you could use AI to generate a video of you riding your motorcycle, but you're gonna look like a computer-generated jack-off when you do. Now, I'm sure there are gonna be people in the comments hating on me for the things that I'm saying. Now, I don't know why you're gonna hate on me. I don't need AI to speak the truth. I just use my brain and my mouth. I'd much rather be a content creator than a content generator. I remember some days I have lazy days too, but it's much more rewarding to actually put in the brain work and all the hard work that it takes to be a content creator, especially for motorcycles. So now, this is your cue to sound off in the comments. Are you somebody like me that does not care for AI-generated videos, or are you somebody that just doesn't really give a rat's ass and you'll listen to anything as long as it has to do with motorcycles? If that's the case, more power to you. Let me know down in the comments. But if you like this video, be sure to check out esotericmoto.com and check out the channel and subscribe to it, where you ain't gonna find no AI bullshit and you're gonna find the real raw rides of the road. Say that 5 times fast. But anyway, I am the Esoteric Rider, and as always, support your local veteran, be safe, and ride free. Peace out. This fits fire, man. You see this? Man, fresh to death.